Good evening, good evening. Today is April 20th at 6:44 p.m. We are coming to you live with a nice quick little weather update. At 6:44 just because we got some interesting weather coming up ahead, so we thought we'd give you all a quick look at that. So first things first, we have a nice little cold front moving in. If you can spot it there, you can see it coming down on the radar as it's crossing over Bexar County. Behind it, we're going to see a temperature drop. So we're going to see a pretty decent temperature drop coming behind it. Go ahead and take a quick look at one of my favorite websites where we can get some information. We can see the temperatures on the back end of this. Just give me a quick moment to load. So how much are we talking about? Well, right here you see the map of departures from normal. So we're going to be seeing temperatures anywhere from at least 10 to 20 degrees dropping on here for today in northern Texas. Our lows are going to bring us down into the 40s. And as you can see, we're going to be at least 10, 15 degrees cooler than normal throughout Wednesday. We're going to be cold, and then we'll start to warm up again. As you can see that we are, from the averages, we are not going to be near the top. As we get into the weekend, you will see changes going up as it goes on there. Currently, these are the temperatures across Texas. And as we zoom into the San Antonio area, we'll let the data load right there. You can see that we got 80s down here and 60s up near Kerrville already. So the temperatures are dropping pretty decently. Now, how big of a change is it? Let's back it up a bit. You can see temperatures are up in the 50s, up near Lubbock area, and down near 90 in the valley. We got a bunch of cold weather up there going on. We got frost warnings. Frost warnings up in the Waco area, Dallas, Lubbock area. Freeze warnings near Lubbock, all the way down to frost advisories down to Abilene and all that. Oklahoma's got a freeze warning. Probably the latest freeze they're going to have in a year on record for a decent time. Now, that's going to be round one, which is going to be up into the mid portion of the week, and then we're going to start warming up. So what does that mean? That means that we're looking at some possible chances for severe weather here in the San Antonio area. We're in the 50% range for day 4. Day 4 being Friday on here. So you take a quick look. There's going to be chances for isolated storms to kick off in the late evening. And right now they're just watching the models. It's a possibility that if they keep seeing this, it'll trigger some interesting storm chase weathers on there. Now, what is causing all this is there's going to be a low around this area, around part of Texas. It's going to be lining up. So if we go looking back on Friday morning, there's going to be some rain showers down here in the San Antonio area, which is down where you see the numbers are at. As we get into the afternoon, you'll see storms start to fire near Dallas and up and down Durham. Oh, how you doing, Eric? How you been? So we'll go ahead and get this going on here. All right, how you doing, Eric? I see you there. Yep, so you're going to be pretty cold up near the Wichita Falls area for Mr. Eric Cuellar. Now we're going to go ahead and let's see, let's move this a little bit forward. Come on, all right, there we go. As you can see, move forward in time, right around San Antonio, all the way up, basically up the 281-35 corridor. We're going to see storms begin to fire. That's the severe weather thing. So it looks like it's going to be lining up earlier in the afternoon. As you can see, it likes to keep it for the next couple of hours. Probably the strongest storms will be up near the Austin area. So if you're up near the Austin area, make sure you follow Travis County Severe Weather. They're going to be local for that region. We at Bexar County are for Bexar County. So that's what we'll be looking at on there. And then we'll be looking to see what storms happen. And then up near Dallas, the Dallas area, there's also going to be another little cluster in the afternoon. And as you can see, as we progress it to the 5 o'clock hour, they're going to be pretty much east of 35, probably affecting the areas of College Station over towards the Lufkin Nacogdoches area as the evening progresses. And you can see there's a big convective blob that forms on here, and this is going to be causing all that. Now this is the upper low, which you see will be probably centered around Wichita Fall area if the model holds and progresses, which we're looking at the RGEM, which does a decent job. Now locally here, but we'll be looking into the San Antonio area. You'll see the drop on Tuesday. Tonight, overnight, we'll drop into the 50s. Tomorrow, we'll drop into the 70s, and then we'll have our coldest point with the lows in the 49, which is unseasonably cold for us. Which, if we go back to the departure from normal map, you'll see right here we're going to be somewhere between 16 to 20 degrees below normal, or below the averages for our region. And then we will start to warm up. The weekend, we will have some storms around Thursday evening to Friday, and then moving up. And then that'll be it. As we get closer to the severe weather, we will go ahead and give you more updates as the situation develops. But in the meantime, it's just interesting enough to warrant an update. Hope you all have enjoyed it. And again, this is SWTX Chaser for Bexar County Severe Weathers with a quick midweek update coming from us.